Hello, it's a Sanyo emergency lantern, and here you can see its model number NLF560 rechargeable. But those who know that this type of emergency lantern had two glass tubelets, but here we have three, and the original thing have a switch in here of single tube, double tube, but we can see here is a DC jack, and also in the back side here is another DC jack, and here is a USB charging port with on off. The top of this thing wants a push button. It's an on off switch, and here is a push button. I modified this light more than 1 year ago. I replaced its internal every component and install a 12-volt battery with this 3 LED light. It worked fine, but last few days it's not working. So now I will see what's the problem, why it's not working. At first we open this front transparent cover, then we will see where is the problem. Oops, you can see the cable condition is not good. The cable are all corroded, so maybe the cable are gone. Okay, here is the inside view, and what is this? Well, like burn. Here is the battery pack. Everything is packed so tightly. It's a voltmeter. We can see battery status. Our switch is not working, so we cannot see that. See, if I short this to cable, it shows the voltage, but the voltage is very low. It shows 3.6 volt. So check the battery voltage with multimeter. Multimeter shows 5 volt, and it's not okay. I see here's a lot of problem. I have to change this switch. I also have to change this switch too. 2.3 volt is not good. It's a 12 volt battery pack. That means some of the cells are dead, and it's terrible. It's not good. It's a challenge. I have to do a lot of work, so I just remove the battery pack from the unit. Try to charge this battery pack with my bench power supply. I inject 13 volt, and yes, 13 volt, but this thing draws 13 volt 0. So I have to open this thing and see what's the problem. Oh, very bad condition. These two batteries are badly corroded. And one other thing, that this type of battery repair is time consuming, because I have to dismantle every cell and charge them for fully charged. Then I have to discharge them with a special device. Then I will know which one is good and which one is bad. And after this process, then I will use the good batteries and make another battery pack. These 3D printed battery holders are cracked. Battery holders are not so good. The breaks easy. I don't know which material they use. They are 351 degrees Celsius. Disconnect the BMS and then the battery. So now every cell is disconnected, and now it's time to check the voltage. First one, 0 volt, 0.8, 3.8, 0 volt, 3.8. So we found 2 bad cell and 4 good cell. Now we can do two things. We can charge every cell, 4 of them, and discharge them with capacity tester, or we just can add 2 good cell with it and make a battery pack again. I think I can do that. That will be easy for me. But one bad thing in here, you can see here is corrosion green thing. That's not good. Very bad sign. You have to clean this properly. Inner carton bar. Okay, I just changed my mind. I'll use only 3 cell with this BMS. I think it's enough for our lantern. Let's see what you can do. Hot gun is ready, and I'm going to attach the cells to the drill connect like this. This one is battery minus, goes to here. This one is battery 1 positive. This one is second battery positive. This one is third battery positive. Before we connect the BMS, we have to connect this battery together. This one to this one, this one to this one. And this wire is not so good. This cable are good. We need some. Let's steam this wire fast. Now our 3 cells are connected, and we have total 11.46 volt. Now it's time to connect our BMS. Battery minus connected, the first battery plus, now the second battery plus, then third battery plus. Okay, the last one is connected, and now we will see the voltage. Okay, it's almost 12 volt. Our battery pack is ready. Let's use some duct tape to protect this battery pack. Now our battery pack is completely ready to work. Battery will be here, then third cable disconnect. Negative connection 11.4. That's good. Our switch connected. Third wire So now we have to do what? We have to solder them again. I think if we solder them again, then they will work. Check this switch with continuity tester. It's not good. We have just changed this switch. I don't know if I have one or not. I'm now going to change this switch. This switch is used for voltmeter to check our battery voltage. Here is the previous switch and this was faulty. So I install this new switch and it works. Some adhesive glue for fix this. I also have to change the main power switch, but here is a problem. You can see this resistor is broken. One of the leg is broken, so we have to change this. I use this resistor for control the light brightness. By default, when I press this LED will connect through this resistor, and so that doesn't glow in full brightness. And when I press button, it will short this. So light gets full voltage, the glow full brightness, but it will drain the battery faster, make this LED hot. So I make this mechanism. It keeps batteries long lasting, and when you need bright light, press it. So now we need a new resistor. I think I have one. Here is the replacement, 10 ohms, 10 ohms. Now you can see these two are for switch. Light is on. Press this switch brighter. Now I will connect this switch. Switch is connected. Bright. Off. Yes. It takes a lot of time. Now it's time to assemble it again. USB port is live. The red LED or LED, and we can control its brightness by pressing the switch. Also, our voltmeter is working to 11.3. So we can assemble it now. Screw it. Oh no, I forgot one thing. The battery is moving. I have to open it again. Battery is loose. I have to use some hot glue. Hot glue gun is ready to work. I think it's enough. We have to wait a few minutes, cool it down. After cooling this, it will be solid. Now it's almost solid and we can assemble it. Finally, push the switch. Final piece of puzzle. 11.4. Now it's okay and it will work again. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel. It helps.